So hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be very important for you all because in today's video I will be showing you how you all can apply for your parents visitor visa for Canada. So recently I got my parents visa for Canada and I will be sharing the same information with you all in very few and simple steps. This video is going to save you a lot of dollars because you don't have to go out to an agent to apply for your parents visa. So if you watch this video till last, you will be able to apply for your parents visa on your own and you don't have to give any single penny out to an agent. So just make sure to follow the whole process step by step.
So now let's start the video. So the first thing you need to do is you have to log into the IRCC portal. So there's a lot of confusion between IRCC portal and the GC key. So I applied my parents visa through IRCC portal and I'm going to tell you the same. So IRCC portal is basically a new platform where you can apply for visitor visa applications, and it's considered to be more faster than GC key. So once you are on the new IRCC portal, what you have to do is sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, just click on the sign in button. You can see I already have an account, but if you don't, you just click on the button here, sign up. And once you click on sign up, you just have to fill all your details here and you will be able to create an account by clicking on sign up. So the main issue arises when you don't have the invitation code, but no worries, I will be attaching this link in my video description where you can just put your email address, confirm your email address, and you will get the invitation code as well. So this link will be there in the video description. So once you get this invitation code on your email address, you just have to put the same invitation code here, and after filling all your details you can easily create an account. So now let me sign to my account and show you all the visa results of my parents first, then I will tell the whole process step by step and how you can proceed further. So here are the two applications, my mom and my dad's application. So once I click on here, check full application status, and you can see here I applied for their visa on 30th of April and the original passport request letter was sent to me on 6th June. So it took around 36 days for their visa, but now I'm going to tell you all how you all can start an application and apply for your parents visa as well. So once you're logged into the new IRCC portal, you just have to click for apply for visitor visa. So all the details I will be filling in this application are not valid. So once you are filling the application, just make sure you are filling all the valid details and check it every time you're filling. So starting with the basic questions, do you want to apply for more than one person at the same time? So if you are inviting your parents on convocation and you're applying both of their visas at the same time, so just click on yes. And if you're just applying for your mom or just for your dad, then if you're just applying for a single parent, then just click on no. So what I did in my application was yes, I applied both of their visas together. So the only difference is if you click on yes, so it will create a group, and if you click in no, then you have to fill individual applications for both. So just to make the video easy, I am assuming that you are applying your parents visa together. So if you're applying both of their visas together, just click on yes. And the next question is asking to name the group. So the answer is yeah, family. Again, you can type here family. Just click on save and continue, and when you are here you have to fill the details of your parents individually. So first, starting with the first applicant. So application for visitor visa or study permit. So basically it's a visitor visa. And now in this, why do you need a visa? So here you are going to select the option to visit family who are not listed above or friends for less than 6 months. So this is the option I selected for my parents as well. So once you are here, now here is asking tell us more about what you will do in Canada. To attend convocation ceremony. So let's assume your convocation is on 15th of November. So I selected that my parents will be entering Canada on 1st November, and when they will be leaving Canada is after 2 months. So that is going to be January, and any starting date in January. So you don't have to fill this unique client identifier number if you don't have it, because it's optional, it's not required. So just save and continue. So after filling the previous details, here we have a checklist about what you will be needing to complete this application. Then again, information you need to enter. Here are all the personal details, your education, criminal, medical and family information. Just click on save and continue for now. Then are you applying on behalf of someone else? Yes, I am applying for my parents, so just click on yes here. Are you an authorized paid representative? No. Who are you in relation to your person helping? I'm a family member. Then here's the information about the representative. So I'm the representative of my parents, so it's asking for information about the representative. I have to fill my own information here. As you're already in Canada, so just fill your own number. So all the details I'm filling are not valid, so just make sure you're filling the valid details. Here you have to fill your address in Canada, and then it can be anything. And if you're not able to find your address, just click on manually input address, so it will allow you to enter your address manually if that's not registered on Google yet. So again, you have to confirm your email address. So once you fill all this information, just click on save and continue. Now here it's the travel document information of the applicant. So let's assume I'm filling the application for my mother first, so I will be filling all her information in this application as of now. So just follow these steps and fill all the valid details of your parents. Then travel document of the applicant. Here what's the travel documents? It's going to be passport. It's a regular passport. And then select country code. The country code is India. Then what's the nationality on your passports? Is again India. What's your passport or travel document number? Here you can just fill the passport and travel document number. Are you a lawful permanent resident of US? No. So here you have to click on yes. Are you traveling to Canada by air? So obviously yes. Now again save and continue. So again the details you have to fill is for your parents, that is applicant. So the applicant, citizenship and places where the applicant has lived. So country or territory where your mother was born, it's going to be India in my case. Then city or town, Delhi. Are you a citizen of more than one country? No. Which country or territory are you citizen of? India. I'm a citizen of this territory and country since birth. Save and continue. Then national identity document of the applicant. So this is basically if your parents are holding an Aadhaar card, you can click on yes. And here you have to fill the number of your Aadhaar card, then confirm the document number. Select the country or territory that issued these documents. Again, it's India. Next. So if your parents has used any previous name in the past, in my case the answer is no. So I'm clicking on no and then again save and continue. So contact information of the applicant. So in this case again you have to fill all the information of your parents, starting with it. What's your residential address? So parents residential address is going to be India. Then street address, anything for now, and list your current country or territory of residence. You again have to fill this, click on add, and you have to click here, select a country or territory. It's going to be India. What is your status in country? Is citizen from, and click here. So basically it's asking since how long your parents have been living in India and since how long they have been a citizen. Now this is currently where I live. So all the information here you're filling for your parents. Now just click on save and continue. Biometric, fingerprints and photo of the applicant. Do we already have your parents' fingerprints and biometrics? So in this case, no, my parents have not given biometrics till now, so I will be clicking on no. And again it's saying you will be required to submit your biometrics, so I am okay with it. Save and continue. Who is inviting you? Now here you have to fill your own details. Has someone else also invited you? So basically IRCC is asking this question to my parents. So in this case I am saying no, no one else has invited my parents. So it's only me inviting my parents. Save and continue. Then again here the finances. How much money do you have for your stay in Canada? So this is basically a question to your parents, that how many Canadian dollars will they be showing in their accounts. So when I filled my application, I clicked on $10,000. That is going to be 6 lakh converted into Indian rupees. Is someone else giving you money for your stay in Canada? No. So click on next. Information about education, work and other activities. Again it's all the information of your parents. So post secondary education history, yes, you have to So if your parents has a postgraduate degree or diploma, just click on yes. If no, you can simply click on no. It won't ask you again any details. So in my case, my mother had a diploma degree, so you just click on add details and name of the school or college, whatever it was, then date, like from which year to which year she completed her degree, and again you have to fill here when your degree was ended, address of the university or college where it was. So for now I am just filling any random address. Click on save. So here we have selected the option of college, diploma and level of study for my mother. Now work, activities and history. So did you serve in any military or civil defense unit? No. Giving details of all your employment and activities in the past 10 years. So if your mother has worked anywhere with any job, you have to add a column here. If still there was no job or nothing, still you have to click on this add column. And since marriage or since birth, if she has not worked anywhere, just click on homemaker and you have to select here address. So in my case, my mother is not working anywhere, so I have to click on homemaker. And if your parents are employed somewhere, just click on the relevant option. So going for now homemaker, then select a country, and again it's asking for the address. So once you click on save, just click again save and continue. Travel history. During the past 5 years, have you traveled to a country or territory? So in this case, answer for my parents is no. Then again save and continue. Travel history continued. Have you ever stayed in Canada? No. Have you been refused visa? For my case it was no. Clicking on save and continue. So then again criminality and security, no, 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 no. Again here, are you or have you ever been a member associated with any political party? Again just read all the questions and answer as per your best knowledge. In my case the answers are going to be no. Again medical background questions. Have you had a medical exam performed by an IRCC? No. In the last 2 years were you diagnosed? No, no. Are you currently receiving? No, no treatments. So here again it's family information, marital status. So what is your current marital status? So it's married. So it's asking, will your spouse, common law partner accompany you to Canada? So in my case answer is going to be yes, because I'm applying for my parents together, so I have selected on yes. But if you're just applying for your mom or just for your dad, just click on no. This means the application is just for a single parent. So clicking on yes in my case, and again save and continue. Do you have any biological children, adopted or stepchildren? You have to click on yes and add children details of your parents. You have to fill your details, your territory of birth is India. Does this children have the same address of you? No, because right now I am in Canada, so I am clicking on this no. The child is not in Canada. Will they accompany you to Canada? No, because I'm already in Canada, so I won't be accompanying my parents. Click on save. If you are done with all the children details, just click on save and continue. Tell us about your parents. So again IRCC is not asking this question to you. IRCC is asking your parents about their parents. So basically you have to fill your grandparents detail here. Click on save and continue. Now on the next page, language of the applicant. Basically what's the native language of your mother? In my case it's Hindi, so I will be selecting on Hindi. Can you communicate in English or French? Yes, English. What language do you want us to contact you? It's again going to be English. Then click on save and continue. Email address of the applicant. If you don't have any separate email address of your mother, you can just put your same email address which you used earlier. Here save and continue. Next page, again it's telephone number of the applicant. Basically you have to fill the telephone number of your parents and then click on save and continue. Summary of your information. So once you are on this page, make sure that you are double checking all the information you have filled. You can do so by clicking on expand all, and once you expand all, you can again recheck all the information whatever you have filled, and all the information is correct and legit. Then continue again, and you will be able to go on to the next page. And here is the list of documents. So I will be just telling you what all documents you have to upload. So first of all, here is letter of invitation. In this letter I just uploaded convocation letter which I got from my college. So again, in this national identity document you have to upload the copy of Aadhaar card. Then here it's passport document, add a file. Then here funds proof. So in this application I told IRCC that my parents have $10,000. So here you have to upload the same funds, IMM 5476, and here it's the marriage certificate. Or if you don't have a marriage certificate, what you can do is combine the passports of your parents and upload it. Then you don't have to upload anything here, then you don't have to upload anything here again. Here you have an option additional documents. In this section I uploaded my documents, my supporting documents, where I have shown my finances, my college receipts, my transcripts, and all my credit card statements. So once you are done with uploading all these documents, you will be able to click on save and continue, and you can pay the fees for your parents' visa.
Thanks for watching this video, and if this video was of any help to you all, then make sure to hit the like button. You can also share the video with your friends who are willing to apply for their parents' visa, and also you can subscribe to my channel for more relevant videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.